Changes today to Pennsylvania's mask mandate, but only for those who are now fully vaccinated. State health leaders now say that those who have had both of their shots or the one Johnson & Johnson shot can safely gather without masks and without social distancing. Glad you're with us at 5. I'm Ken Rice.
And I'm Kim Gable. Those changes mirror new guidance from the Centers for Disease Control. But as Ross Guidotti explains, there are some very important conditions attached. Ross.
Kim, Ken, good afternoon. Now, the State Department of Health is adopting the CDC's approach to dismasking, and you mentioned it before. If you're vaccinated and the people around you are vaccinated, that is a key point. They say you can now visit with other fully vaccinated individuals indoors without wearing a mask or physical distancing for that matter. You can also visit with unvaccinated people from a single household who are at low risk for severe COVID-19 disease indoors without wearing a mask or physical distancing and refraining from quarantine and testing following a known exposure if the individual is asymptomatic. I know that sounds like a lot, but it basically says if you've been vaccinated and the other person's been vaccinated, you may be in good shape. I spoke to a few people who say that's all great news, and there are others who say that's cool, but we're still going to keep our masks on.
I could go along with that, but how do you know for sure?
It would be a huge relief for me if everybody was getting vaccinated and then we wouldn't have to wear masks all the time.
It definitely does make a difference for us. Like our grandparents are finally being able to get the vaccine, so it does make a difference.
All right, but it is very important to note this is only, and I have to repeat this only, if you have both shots or the one Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Now, we're going to talk a little bit more about this at 6 with a physician who knows quite a bit about the CDC's guidelines and their other measures. He also says, why are we all of a sudden following the CDC guidelines immediately? It's basically to keep it as simple as possible. We'll tell you about that coming up at 6 o'clock. Reporting live in Greensburg, Ross Guidotti, KDKA News.